Yo guys, it's Trades, and today we'll be going over the daily recap for the 11th of December. Yeah, today was actually not a bad day, but I learned a lot, and yeah, my model today didn't play out how I wanted it to be, and yeah, let's get into it. Going into the day, I saw that we had a daily SMT on the highs with a rejection out of a 4-hour fair value gap that was still valid. So yeah, I was overall pretty bearish for the day since we had some these lows here as these lows too, and yeah, those were my main draws. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's go at market open. My bias was confirmed that we were bearish after we inversed all those fair value gaps. Uh, we got some bearish momentum, so I waited. Let me delete this for a 5-minute fair value gap to open and for us to retrace back into, but this actually never happened. If you see right here, I skipped too far. Yeah, this market open. We're too far away from the 5-minute. Let's see. We can see we made a 1-minute fair value gap, and let's see what happens inside of it on this. You can see we also have high time frame SMT. That is very probable because it's a big week before market open. And yeah, as you can see right here, let me zoom to find the SMT. Yeah, we also have an SMT on this high, double SMT, because first of all, for this SMT, for the 922 candle, ES takes as high while NQ is far lower, and the other is the same. Basically, NQ creates a lower low while ES takes at high. Yeah, higher low, sorry. So yeah, we retraced back into the 1-minute, which was, let me tell you why it was more probable than any other 1-minute fair value gap. Because it was such a big fair value gap, it would have been very hard to inverse it, as it was also in premium of the range. But so yeah, I treated it, I should have treated it like a 5-minute fair value gap, as my model appeared on the lower time frames that I never took a trade on a setup like this. I always used to wait for 5 minutes. So yeah, we will go short here after the inverse fair value gap right there, as you can see. Let me see if we have another SMT. Yep, we have another SMT on the 15-second. I only like to confirm our SMT. It's not an internal, it's not an external. I just like to see if there's one more lower time frame for us to go lower. So I should have set my stop at 25 points. It's my fixed, and I should probably have went for a, where was my draw again? easily have gone for a 1 2 3 because our draws were much lower. So we enter there, take profit right there, stop loss 500 US dollars. You can see, yep, take profit, easily hit. Our stop loss was correct, and there was another entry, I think. Yeah, if you didn't catch the first move, you could have caught this, but it's not very probable as the lower time frame SMT is just a 15 second, which in my mind, in my opinion, doesn't confirm anything if it doesn't appear on the 30-second or the 1 minute or the 5 minute for an internal SMT. So yeah, this would have been the first trade I took. I didn't take it, I was about to take it, but I didn't have much conviction in it because we are reacting out of a 1 minute fair value gap and not out of a 5 minute, and I'm not used to 1 minutes. So yeah, I'll try to see, to backtest to see if that occurs often. And yeah, I took only one trade today. Let me show you. It was here's another trade that could have played out very well. I think we were inside of, yep, 4 hour fair value gap. Let me see. Yeah, basically going to the 1 hour. See, we have fair value gaps, stacked fair value gaps right there with an external SMT, which is much probable rather than a SMT or just a fair value gap alone, because these are two confluences together, and a gapped SMT it's much more probable than an SMT or a gap alone. So yeah, let's get into it. We had our external SMT right there. Let's zoom in. Now we're waiting. That's it. SMT right there. Can't see. Yes, made a higher low while NQ took that. This SMT is still valid. This is not. Let's find another SMT. Yep, there it is. Right there. Yes, makes a lower low, sweeping internal liquidity, while NQ makes a higher low. And that's a divergence. And we enter after the fair value gap, inverse fair value gap, set our stop at 25 points, go for a 3RR easily because we have many. No, let's go for a 2RR. Let's target those prominent wicks above, equal also. So yeah, let's see what will have happened. And yeah, straight to take profit. We will have been break even right there, I think, or there. Uh, Not sure. I'd like to say displacement out of this level though, not just the top. Yeah, so we will have been break even right here after this candle uh, broke structure to the upside. Yeah, on the 1 minute as well. Yeah, that could have been it, but I still haven't shown you the trade I took. Wait, let me find it. So yeah, this was the trade I took was pretty stupid in my opinion. Yeah, I don't know why I even took it. Uh, let's see. Yeah, we were inside of a 5 minute fair value gap and I wanted to move higher, but the reason why this didn't work out because we were deep in premium. As you can see, we were above the 50%, so this means it will be more optimal and smart and probable to take a short setup. So as you can see here, wait, we had this SMT right there paired with a small SMT here, and the mistake I did was that I thought we inversed that small fair value gap right there when we didn't. Wait, I think it's here. Yeah, I think I entered right there and something happened and my stop, I didn't set any stop, I just placed the market order. My target was this week above, and yeah, I didn't set any stops as I said before, but it was set manually, automatically at 9 points, and yeah, I got stopped out, and I'm very glad I didn't lose much. I lost only like 180, so that's good, but I'm still disappointed because I wanted to take a short setup when we were deep in premium. A, a long setup when we were deep in premium. Yeah, we only take setups that are long when in discount, and we only take shorts when in premium. That's more probable. So yeah, this will be the end of the video. Yeah, I ended the day down 9 points, which is basically 180 to 90 points dollars. So yeah, pretty good day if you ask me. I learned a lot. I reviewed some of my mistakes, and I think I'm much more confident now. For the first part, I'm proud and I'm happy I followed my model. I waited only for specific fair value gaps, not just anything like this 1 minute. But never mind, it played out. I stuck with my model and didn't find a good trade. So yeah, that will be it. Thank you so much guys for all the support on all the platforms, on the Instagram, CRZ Trades as well, same on the TikTok and on the X. I'll start posting more videos, more educational videos. I'll even try to make a bootcamp, and yeah, I'll try to do daily bias videos before market opens. So yeah, stay tuned guys.